Imagine standing before the most powerful man in the world. Marcus Aurelius, the emperor of Rome, a general filled with arrogance, insults him in front of the entire court. Everyone holds their breath, expecting the emperor's wrath. But instead of rage, Marcus simply smiles and says, "If what you say is true, then I must improve. If it is false, then it does not concern me." Silence. The entire court watches in shock. How could a man with absolute power remain so composed? Anyone else would have exploded in fury, but not Marcus Aurelius, because he understood something that most of us don't. Anger is weakness, and the one who can control his emotions controls his destiny. Now ask yourself, who controls your anger? Is it you or the people around you? Are you truly in control? Every single day we are tested. Someone cuts you off in traffic, a coworker mocks your ideas, a stranger disrespects you, and the moment you react, the moment you get angry, you lose, because now they control you. But what if you didn't react? What if you never got angry? What if you stayed unshaken no matter what? That is the power of Stoicism. That is the secret to an unbreakable mind. Marcus Aurelius's secret, how to become unshakable. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." This means that you cannot control what others do, but you can always control how you respond. If someone insults you and you get angry, you've given them power. But if someone insults you and you remain calm, you have all the power. Your emotions can either be your greatest weakness or your greatest weapon. Anger is a trap. Don't fall for it. Seneca, another great Stoic, said, "Anger is a brief madness." Think about it. When you're angry, you lose control. You stop thinking clearly. And in those moments, you make the worst decisions of your life. A weak man explodes in rage. A strong man remains still. A weak man reacts. A strong man observes. A weak man is controlled by emotions. A strong man controls them. So what should you do? Next time someone tries to provoke you, pause, breathe, and ask yourself, does this really matter? Will this matter in 5 years? Will this matter on my deathbed? If the answer is no, then let it go. Weak people hold on to anger. Strong people let it die. No one can defeat you unless you let them. True power isn't about how strong you are. It's about how calm you can stay when the world tries to break you. This was the strength of Marcus Aurelius. This was the wisdom of the Stoics. And this can be your power too. So the next time someone tries to make you angry, pause, smile, and walk away. Because a true Stoic is undefeatable.